Hello and welcome back to another video. I had to talk about this. The final farewell Gen 6 Camaro. I have been a bit of a notable content creator for the Gen 6 Camaro. I've done lots of cool things, including racing, towing, driving in the winter, car meets, you name it, I've done it. Road tripped. I've tested the car as far as I felt like it would feasibly go, including breaking it. Very pleased with the 6th Gen platform, but they have now released the Collector's Edition, Final Edition, which, shocker, comes with some super fun and super exclusive and super rare stickers. Sometimes I just think Chevrolet as a whole hates selling cars. They hate people liking their cars. They just seem to have this absolute hatred for success. So they build what is notably one of the best sports cars in history ever. Handling, performance, track times, numbers, cost, comfort, everything. Everything about the car is everything you would ever hope it would be. But they don't tell anybody about it. They just say, oh, sales are low. They don't advertise it. They don't do anything. If you don't buy one and own it, you have no idea how good it is and how comfortable and fast and how many cars you absolutely spank and clap around town. It's almost rude how good it is. But you only know that if you buy it, because that makes sense. Why would you advertise something you're trying to sell to make money? So they come out with a collector's edition, final edition. Car got one refresh in 2019. After 3 years of being out, it got a facelift. Everybody complained and made fun of it. They did a second refresh in 2020. They moved the bow tie because apparently everybody just hated it. I didn't care. I didn't like the refresh anyway, so where the bow tie sat, I didn't bother me any. There's a bug flying around into something like me. Oh yeah, it's up there. It looks like a bee. So if I get stung by a bee and die, you will have witnessed it. So they come out with the collector's edition. They don't do anything. They don't do a last gen face refresh, so it's notable. They do nothing. They give it a last year color, which is also available on other GM products, and they give it some more stickers. For those of you that have followed the channel and those of you that have seen what I've done with my car, you will kind of know I'm probably the king of stickers. I put more stickers on that Camaro than really should be. But I had fun with it, putting them on and taking them off and doing my thing and trying different concepts and whatever. Not GM. No. They're just going to do a really boring sticker package, call it a collector's edition, charge more money, and then hope everybody appreciates it because it's now a collectible car. God, it is just so embarrassing to be a GM fan most days these days, and this is no exception. Before I get too disappointed in them, please leave your comments below. Let's have a conversation. We'll make a follow-up video. Till next time, drive safe, take care, and behave, as always.